Dear students, welcome you all for the daily classes. Hope you are all healthy and safe. In the previous videos, we have learned about geography. Now we will go for economics first chapter, name development. In this chapter, we are going to discuss development and its features, income and other goals, national development, comparison between the two nations, how we are going to do, other criteria which can be used for comparing the countries. Apart from it, public facilities, educational achievements, BMI, Body Mass Index, Human Development Index and Sustainable Development. Let us go for the lesson. The idea of development or a progress is always been with us. We have many desires and how we would like to live. Similarly, we have ideas what our country should be like and what are essential things that we require to live. Can our life be better for all? How should people live together? Can there be a more equality? Many questions are also in front of the issue development. Development involves thinking about these are all the questions. But this is a complex task. In this chapter, we will try to understand how the development starts or what is the meaning of development. When we will learn more and more about these issues in a greater depth in the higher classes, we will understand more about it. We will find answers also for these questions, not only just in economics but also in our course in history, political science, etc. Because the way we live today is highly influenced by our past. One thing we have to remember, it is only through the democratic political process, it is only through a democratic political process that these hopes, possibilities can be achieved in our real life. So let us look what development promises and how people have a different goals. What development promises to different people, and different people have a different goals in their life. So dear students, here one table is given, table number 1.1, developmental goals of different categories of persons. Here they have given one example, landless rural laborers. Developmental goal and aspiration means what? For them, more days of work, better wages, local school is able to provide a quality education for their children, there is no social discrimination, and they too can become leaders in the village. They consider as goal and as well as their aspirations. Like this, these columns has to be filled by you in your textbook copy with the pencil. So you will understand how people have different goals of their life. So let us look into that part. Development and its features. If we are going to calculate, development refers to increase in per capita income of the nation. What is per capita income of the nation? We will come to know later. And decreases inequalities, poverty, literacy and diseases. Second, it also refers economic development and rise in standard of living of the people of a particular country. It refers different persons have different goals, like that we have to understand. Income is the major component of development. Besides this, people also seek equal treatment, good health, peace, literacy, etc. Apart from income, what are the other goals the development includes that we are going to discuss? Development for one can be a distraction for other also. These are very clear for us now. One is different persons can have different developmental goals. What is development for one person may not be a development for other. And sometimes, second one, what may be development for one may not be a development for other, even it can be distractive for other. So then, what is the main purpose when we are looking into the table number 1.1? There we have understood that development includes lot of aspects which we are going to consider. One of the most important thing which we are going to consider is income. Only income we consider in the development? No. Then what else? Dear students, in the table 1.1 we came to know that many people have a desire of a different things like a regular work, better wages, decent price for their crops, etc. But one thing is very clear, they want more income. Only income will decide the developmental aspect? No. One way or other, people also seek things like equal treatment they want, freedom they want, security they want, respect from others they want.